Join us as we dive into the world of homemade goodness with our delightful apple rice puree. The ingredients we'll be using today are white rice, apple, carrot and soybean powder. Begin by rinsing the rice meticulously and then leave it aside. Peel the apple, chop it into smaller pieces, and set it aside. Place the washed rice into a saucepan. Introduce the chopped apple, soybean powder, and 2 dates into the saucepan. Add water and bring it to a boil, ensuring the rice is cooked to perfection. Allow the mixture to cool down before transferring it into a blender. Incorporate the baby's milk into the blender and blend until smooth. Serve the warm puree to your little one, offering them a comforting and nutritious meal. This recipe is sure to tickle your baby's taste buds and leave them craving for more. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe and found it helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more nutritious baby food ideas, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Until next time, happy cooking, and may your little one's journey to solid foods be filled with joy and lots of delicious flavors. Bye for now.